Hey, Chef Wonderful here, and cheers. Un moment, s'il vous plaît. I like to have a little sip of that delicious O'Leary Chardonnay. Shameless promotion. Before we start cooking, I want to cook up a little advice. If you're in your 20s, I'm going to give you 5 pieces of advice that I think is going to save your honeymoon. I don't care what you're thinking, listen to this stuff. I've been there, I've done that. I'm going to help you out here, okay? 5 things you don't want to do when you're in your 20s. I want to talk about taking care of your skin and your face. And that's why I'm really excited to have 20's Hanley, these guys, as a sponsor of today's video. They make skincare products for men. They've helped me start and maintain my skincare routine by making the entire process really uncomplicated and easy. Easy. Honestly, it's the best skincare system for guys that want to. Why? Because it's really easy to use. I recommend you start with their level 1 system, basic. It comes in a box. All the basics are in here. A daily face wash to get rid of the dirt and grime on your skin. That's important, and I use it every day. I care about that a lot. A 2 times a week exfoliating scrub to get rid of dead skin cells, An AM moisturizer with SPF 20 because you should always be protecting your skin from the sun. And a PM moisturizer to help your skin stay hydrated and healthy throughout the night. When you think this sounds corny, it's not. How do you think Mr. Wonderful looks so fantastic and Chef Wonderful at the same time? I care about my skin. My favorite part about 20's Hanley is that every box comes with an instruction card that tells you when to use each product. Makes it really simple. How much to use and in what order. They really make the process of achieving and maintaining your skin amazingly easy. I've been using their products for quite a while now. And I'm kind of hooked, I admit it. Hey, I put this stuff on every day. It might sound weird, but I look forward to my morning and evening routines because I feel amazing and a lot more confident after using their products. But check out the results. Yeah, baby. The 20's Hanley people get tons of benefits, including 25% of the retail price off, the ability to customize your box, and you can pause or cancel anytime, and you get free US shipping. If you're outside the United States, they offer low-cost shipping to almost most countries. And because 20's Hanley is sponsoring today's video, they're offering my viewers a great deal. Just click the first link in the description, and not only will you get 20's Hanley for the best possible price, but they'll also give you a free gift with your first box. Click that link and get started for just $25. Now, number 2, you gotta stay out of debt. It's the hardest thing to do. Every credit card company is coming after you the minute you turn 18. They want your life, and they want you to carry a balance they can charge 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21% on. How do I know that? Because I invest in those credit card companies because you guys keep doing that to yourself. And I'm making 21%. That's crazy. Don't let me make that kind of interest by simply being really constructive of what you do with credit cards. Yeah, you need one to start building up your credit balance. I get that. But you got to pay it off every month. That's how you get a really high credit score. So start by just spending 25, 30, 40, 50 bucks or whatever it is. You pay it off every month and then bingo, all of a sudden your credit score is going through the roof. But the biggest mistake you make is spending more than you take in. And then all of a sudden saying, oh, well, I won't pay off the full balance this month. And that's going to cut you like a knife because nobody can make 21% interest. You can't do that in the bond market. It's really hard to make that in the stock market, but you're going to pay that if you get into debt, and you do not want that to happen. This is something you really got to think about. When I want to hire somebody one of these days, or any of these days, I go and I look at their resume, and I maybe look at their account, wherever they put it on LinkedIn or wherever else, and I learn a little bit about that person. And I'm talking about it in all my operating companies. But I do something else I want you to know. I go to the web and I dig deep into social media. I want to see the kind of stuff you've posted. Now, once you post it, it's there forever. So if you're hanging off a balcony in Fort Lauderdale, out of your mind, swinging from the fences, I'm going to see that. I don't like that. Lots of employers don't like that. They want to see people. I get it. You're going to have fun, but you've got to think what you post. You really got to put a filter on the future, remembering that I am going to see it, and so is every other employee. So when I find crazy stuff, that makes me pause. Be responsible in your posting, be creative in your posting, be expressive in your posting. Tell us who you are as you post, but remember there's a future and you want to be part of it. Who knows what you're going to want to do in 10 years? Don't let some crazy post haunt you. So keep it clean and be thoughtful. You're building your own brand. Build your brand every day on social. Don't destroy it. Very important. Style, how you dress is who you are. You're communicating to people before you even say a single word. You're walking in a room, nobody knows who you are. They look at you, they see how you're dressed. You can dress any way you want, but you're definitely communicating brand when you do that. So I'm very into what I wear. Check this out. You know, see that? Those are pajama pants, Vietnamese pants. That's how I cook. I'm proud to wear them. Very, very comfortable. Ooh la la. Fantastic. You know, very package friendly. Lots of air when you're working in a really hot kitchen, like I do all the time. I wear flip-flops. I'm cool with it. It's a look. It's a style. Look at this little accoutrement. You know I love red bands on my watches. I'm marrying it up. Very cool. All I'm saying is I try to express who I am in how I wear clothes. You know, go shopping for stuff you like, but don't overspend. You don't need too much stuff. You need good quality stuff. Make it part of who you are. Now, you're in your 20s. You're thinking about dropping out of college. Another piece of advice, don't do it. Finish what you started. Now, hopefully you've chosen something that you like. And I used to say the only thing to go to college for was engineering, but I have changed my mind about that. The arts matter now. Why? Because the power of digitization all around the world, people want to tell stories direct to consumer now, and even giant companies are hiring the very best film editors, storytellers, videographers, animators, anybody that can take a story, make it digital, and communicate it successfully on all the social media platforms. So if you're really good at LinkedIn, if you're really good at Twitter or Instagram or Facebook or any other platform, they want you. You're a TikToker, they want you. The whole idea is this is the new commerce of America, and it's because of the pandemic. But all of a sudden, the starving artists aren't starving anymore. So now I'm saying, look, engineering still works. But if you're in the arts, that's cool too, because last year, in terms of all my operating companies, including my food businesses, Chef Wonderful, as you know, our largest, most expensive growth area was digital media and the people that make it. Those are the 5 things you don't want to do when you're 20. Until next time, my friends, salut.
If you like that video, wait till you see my next one. Don't forget to click right over here and subscribe.